right, I checked the volume and it's working this time. Sorry about yesterday. I'll try and redo that one if I have a second. Today we're working with averages. Averages are the same as mean. So think of our poem that we did yesterday. Hey diddle diddle, the median's the middle. You add, then divide for the mean. So we're going to need to do some adding and some dividing. Often you're going to use a calculator when you hear that word average or mean. Today they're quite easy, so I think you should be able to divide and add in your head. But if you feel like it, you can grab a calculator because it is working with averages. Remember, pause the video if I ever go too fast. I'm going to underline some things that I think are important in the text. So here we go. Clayton plays basketball on a team. He played 3 games. I'm going to underline 3. I might need it. In the first game, he scored 10 points. In the second game, he scored 14. And in the third game, he scored 6. What was his average? So am I going to need all of these numbers I underlined? I am. So I'm going to add up 6 plus 14 plus 10. And we've been talking about the associative property in class, so you know that it doesn't have to be in any order when you add. When we total it, 14 plus 10 is 24, plus another 6 is 30. And we're going to divide by the number of numbers we added, 1, 2, 3. Or in this case, he played 3 games, so that would be our total. So we'll divide 30 divided by 3, and I bet you can figure out the answer is 10. So you can write 10 right there. I'm not going to write it. Sometimes kids watch the video and they don't listen. They go right for the answer. So I'm not writing the answer down, but you can. Please do. Mandy earns money by delivering groceries. She earned $4 on Monday, $7 on Tuesday, $5 on Wednesday, $4 on Thursday, and $5 on Friday. What's the average amount? Man, that's a lot of numbers to add. $4 plus $7 plus $5 plus $4 plus 5. Did I get them all? I'm going to cross them out. 4, 7, 5, 4, and another 5. Okay. Total them all up. 5, 10, 15. I'm going to say that's 20, 20, 30. So 30 total. She earned $30, and we're going to divide it. Uh-oh, I added wrong. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, because I'm going to borrow one. Yep, 25. Oh, I'm doing 30. I've got it from the last one, I'm thinking. And then how many days did she deliver? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 25 divided by 5. I bet you know the answer. You can write it right up there. Technically, this should even have a label of days, and technically this should have a label of games per game. Okay, and then on this one, Jean loves to go bird watching. One day she saw 7 birds, the next day she saw 11, and one day she saw no birds. What was the average number she saw each day? So we're going to add them up. 7 plus 11. And what do we do with this no birds? Do you think we need to record it or not? She didn't see any birds, but it was a day that she went out. So we still need to count it even though it's a 0 because it was a day that she went bird watching. So we get a total of 18. And now we need to divide by the number of numbers, 1, 2, 3. Now, see, if you hadn't written that 0 down, you would be dividing by 2. You'd get the wrong answer. So we need to make sure we include it because it was a day that she went bird watching. And 18 divided by 3, I bet you know that answer. Please write it up here. Last one. Harley reads 5 books in January, 8 books in February. Boy, he read a lot. 4 books in March and 7 books in April. What is the average that he read per month? So we need to add them up. 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7. And for that one, if we total it up, we get a total of 24 books. And how many months did he read? 1, 2, 3, 4 months. And if we do that, we find out his average should be 6 books. And let's add our label in there of books. And up here, I think we were watching birds, so let's add that label in there of birds. Thanks for working with me today.